In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create your account with Absolute Education. First, navigate to absoluteeducation.co.uk. In the upper right hand corner, you'll have a login and sign up button. Click sign up. Complete the form with your first name, surname, email address and a password of your choice. The password must be 5 or more characters. Agree to the terms of service and privacy notice. Select whether you would like to be notified of updates and click Create Account. You'll now be sent an authentication email that you'll need to click to approve your email address. And that's your email address verified. You can now log in. Once you've logged in, you'll be asked to select the school that you would like your account to be linked with. Now click Confirm. The school administrator will be sent an email to verify your access. Once that's been completed, you can log in and start tracking your enrichment.